In a lush, sun-dappled forest, a humble woodcutter named Elias swung his iron axe against a massive oak. The air was thick with the scent of pine and damp earth. Suddenly, his worn handle snapped. The blade slipped, tumbling into the shimmering depths of the river. Elias fell to his knees, weeping for his lost livelihood. The water began to churn as a shimmering goddess emerged, her hair like flowing currents. She held up a gleaming silver axe, asking if it was his. Elias shook his head, whispering, "That is not mine." She vanished and returned with a brilliant golden axe. Again, he refused it, saying, "That is far too precious. It is not mine." A third time she emerged, holding his rusted, simple iron blade. Elias's eyes lit up with pure joy. "Yes, that is mine," he cried out. The goddess smiled, once deeply impressed by his unwavering truth. She declared that his heart was purer than any precious metal she had offered him this day. As a reward for his honesty, she gifted him all 3 axes. Elias walked home, his heavy burden replaced by a golden future. He learnt that while metal may rust, the truth shines forever. In the end, his simple honesty proved to be the greatest treasure of all.